everyone, my name is Asmita Amol Thorat. I study in 5th standard. It's a Rakhi competition today, and for that I am going to make an eco-friendly plantable Rakhi. It's my little step towards the health of a Mother Earth. So let's get started. So for making this Rakhi, we will need some seeds, wax crayon, pearl, some rhinestones, and some decorative materials, and some threads, and a piece of soil too. So first of all, I am going to break this. First of all, I am going to divide this piece of soil into two equal parts. Now I am going to give a shape to it, circle shape. Now I am going to place this one of these seeds into this piece of soil. Now I am going to place this rhinestone into between of this. Now I am going, with the help of these threads, I am going to place this circle into the between of this. Now with the help of this wax color, I am going to stick this rhinestone on our Rakhi with the side by side of this pearl.
Okay.
Like this. Now with the help of this 3D outliners or liquid embroidery, I am going to make some design on it. See, I have made this Rakhi. I have made it. Now I am going to plant this Rakhi in any container. So save lives and save trees. Thank you.